So this is the SL320 40th anniversary edition. This was produced to celebrate 40 years of the SL. They did 75 in this colour, Designo Red, and 75 in a metallic blue. This car is pretty much exceptional. Lovely original car. Paintwork is fantastic. A few stone chips on the front that have been touched in, but very minimal and totally acceptable, obviously, for the age of the car. But it is one of the nicest SLs I've ever had the pleasure to sell. Sold it to the last owner a year ago. He bought it for himself as a retirement present. Unfortunately, they called him back to work in desperation and he decided to go back. So he said, I'm never going to get the chance to use it, so we got it back. But it is an absolutely beautiful car, lovely colour combination. I'll just take you inside. Interior is immaculate in every respect. The seats perfect, and sort of ruffled leather. No marks, rips or tears or any signs of wear. The woodwork is lovely. Carpets and overmats all perfect. Rear seats in excellent condition. It's got a wind deflector, as you can see there, which just flips up like that. So it's done 46,000 miles. It's got a very comprehensive service history. I think the majority of it was Mercedes main dealers. Recently had the air conditioning condenser replaced. The wheels are perfect, not a mark on them. Original, what they call Coke bottle top wheels. Just going to go inside, open up the bonnet. Show you under there. Again, absolutely lovely under the bonnet. Soft top is in perfect condition. I haven't put it up at the moment, but I'll take you over to see the hard top, which we have over here. There is the hard top, which is again in perfect condition, inside and out. So basically, this probably is the nicest SL320 we've ever sold, and I've sold some lower mileage ones than this, but I think this is probably the nicest one in its overall condition. It's really been beautifully looked after.